Monday, November 21st, 2022. We're looking at an Italian newspaper. In today's Italian news, the government is worried about climate change because they're not getting enough water to grow tomatoes, wheat, and other plants adequately. Many people in Italy are struggling financially these days because they don't produce as many products to sell to other countries, which means they have less money to spend. If Italy, like other countries, say that they care about climate change, one of the best things they can do is to tell the people, their citizens, to stop eating meat, dairy, and eggs, because these contribute greatly to the carbon footprint. However, like almost all other countries, they are too afraid to do that, too afraid to tell people the truth.
Wash away your old life, be vegan today. Jump into your new life, it's the only way. Wash away your old life, be vegan today. Welcome to heaven on earth. Happy Vegan Declaration Day.
Hey there! So I'm responding to a comment that was on Tabitha Brown's site. Now Tabitha Brown, if you don't know her, you should definitely follow her. She has 4.9 million followers. And you should follow her because she cooks a lot of amazing vegan recipes. And she's one of these people who is easygoing about veganism. She doesn't try to shove it down your throat. She's almost like the opposite of me. But see, my goal is to make a vegan world. So I'm very happy if you follow her and you start to eat less animals and you become an ethical vegan. My concern about her channel is that she doesn't actually talk about the animals. And that is the true meaning of veganism, is to talk about the exploitation, how we should all be speaking out against the rape, and the torture, the sadness, the murder that animals go through. But whatever works. So follow Tabitha Brown.
Go veg yourself, go veg yourself. Stop hurting animals. Go vegan, go veg yourself, go veg yourself. Stop hurting animals. Go vegan.
Hey there! Thank you so much for your comment. You are absolutely right that taste pleasure is no excuse for any kind of animal abuse. And neither are any other sensory pleasures. Like if somebody wanted to, for example, hurt an animal because they like the way it sounds when they scream and beg for mercy, that wouldn't be right. And we wouldn't let anybody hurt dogs or cats just because they like the sight of them bleeding to death. We wouldn't allow that. We would think they're crazy. So, sight pleasure is here, and hearing pleasure is here, and taste pleasure is here. And we have no right, just because we enjoy something, to do it to someone else when it infringes on their rights. So thank you for being an animal rights activist. Thank you for being here. I'm really proud of you.
Go veg yourself, go veg yourself. Stop hurting animals. Go vegan, go veg yourself, go veg yourself. Stop hurting animals. Go vegan.
Hi there. Well, it sounds like you're in a pretty pessimistic mood. Well, let me tell you that everywhere that I go, I help to make people vegan. I do that because it takes 100 clicks to become vegan. Like right now, you're completely against it and you think it's a ridiculous idea. But the more you stick around, the more you will learn that it is the right thing to do. For people, for the animals, for the environment, everybody wins. And I was just at a restaurant talking to two separate couples who were interested in what I had written on my shirt, which says, "Let's be vegan from now on." And one couple is from Italy, another couple is from Switzerland, and they both agreed that they were going to watch the documentaries. One of them especially called Dominion Movement. And when people watch these documentaries, they become vegan. And when they do, their children do, their parents do, their families do, and their community around them becomes vegan. That's why we have more and more vegan options in the stores these days.
Go fruit yourself, go fruit yourself. Stop hurting animals. Go vegan, go fruit yourself, go fruit yourself. Stop hurting animals. Go vegan.
Hi there. Yeah, you're absolutely right. The dairy industry does hurt the cows. Most people aren't aware of that. I mean, if you ask most adults in the world, they don't see anything wrong with taking milk from cows. But when you tell them what happens, that the baby boys are taken away from their mothers, that they are killed so humans can steal the milk, you definitely see their eyes change. You see them kind of taking in that information. And then you see, of course, the guard go up, like, well, we've been doing it all the time, and sometimes they're actually not even aware that a cow has to be pregnant in order to give milk. Even adults aren't aware of that. So these are the challenges as vegans that we face, but thank you for being here and for letting everybody know.
Veggies, fruits, nuts, and seeds, put in your shopping cart. Peace begins on your plate, so be vegan and open up your heart.
Hi there. You're asking me why I bought those pretzels. But actually, I think you jumped to a conclusion there. I didn't buy them. They were given to us free on the airplane. You know how they just hand you stuff? And you're just like, oh, okay, free stuff. And then you're like, oh no, it's not vegan. So we actually left it on the airplane, gave it back to them. We don't eat anything with eggs. We don't eat anything with any milk products or anything with meat. So that's what it means to be vegan. Even though I used to love eating pretzels, unfortunately these ones were sour cream flavor, so we don't eat them. Being vegan is about doing the right thing all the time, not just when people are looking. So what about you? Are you vegan yet? If not, what are you waiting for?
Lentils! Lentils are protein, lentils are great. Google vegan recipes so you can appreciate their flavor, their texture, not their cruelty-free. A cup has 18 grams of protein, so come be vegan with me. Look in the mirror and sing this song, sing I will be brave, I'll be vegan from now on. Look in your heart and sing this song, sing I will be brave, I'll be vegan from now on. Eat only healthy vegan things, never eat anyone's arms, legs, or wings. Don't eat anyone who had ears or eyes. Make sure when you eat that nobody cries. Break old habits you had for years, save animals from so much terror and tears. Train yourself to always be in the mood to only buy healthy vegan food. Sing this song and declare it, I'll be vegan from now on. Declare it, put your hand on your heart and sing it loudly. Today is the day I will start. I'll be vegan from now on. Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now. Let's